Okay, morning van diesel tank update. Right, okay, so I think there's a problem with not the tank. The tank is absolutely brilliant. Okay, so the lid has a non-return valve, so it lets air in but no splashes out. But lately we've been having a lot of smell of diesel, and it is this. It's not because this is leaking or anything. Well, it is leaking actually. The truth is, this is my second lid they sent me. I'm not putting the company down. So this tank is absolutely amazing, but you might have to sort something new for this. Now, there we go. I fitted that myself because the other one, if I can show you, not this particular one, but the other one is in there. Look. This is the new one. It's smaller, and the smaller one actually, let me just take you to the other. I'll take you to the other lid. Hold on one sec. Okay, so this is the new one they sent me. Has it got the rubber on that as well? Yeah, even the rubber come off on the inside, the big main rubber seal. I bought these. These are rubber washers. Neoprene, I think they are. They're called neoprene. I got them off eBay. They were like £2 something for a pack of 5. They are 32mm across, 3mm thick. You could probably get away with 2mm. Maybe this is a bit too thick, but it's still on there. And I use this, and it's got a 5mm center. So 32, 3 by a 5mm center, and I don't get covered in diesel. Fits perfect. It does fit perfect. I'm just going to get a glove on, so I don't want to smell a diesel today. I'm always smelling a diesel. I'm going to push this rubber ring back round again. See if I can get it to fit properly. Not the best fit, but it's alright. Once it's on, it's fine. It's just this bit. So, like I said, 32 across, full the diameter, 3mm thick with a 5mm center. Neoprene washers. So just type in rubber washer. It'll come up anyway, and you'll see it. So I've got a spare lid now. This is a spare lid, so I'll keep this. Is that in properly? I presume it is. Anyway, so I'll keep this as a spare lid. They seem to do the job, but what I've had to do now off of eBay, I've had to order, you know, those pincers that look like this at the one end. It's a good to get into the tank, because last time I've had to put my whole arm right down inside the tank to get the rubber out. So I've ordered a pincer for that now, to do the job. Let me just take this glove off. 2 seconds. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll upload this video now, and then you can see for yourself, and I'll put a link for these washers in the description down below. If this helps anybody, sorry company that we bought the thing from, this is the second time the first washer split. The second one is a smaller washer that just fits inside that, and that fell off. I can't, whether it wants a thicker washer or I do not know. Anyway, so that's the washer I replaced, because it was the same size as the one which was already on here, except this is a bit thicker. I had to guess, because I had the washer down inside the tank and it kept stinking like hell, and I hate the smell of diesel. And when you're going along, it's like turpentine or paint, and I was like, what that smell? Anyway, there we go. There's a bit of a flaw with the lid. The tank is absolutely amazing bit of kit, but the lid needs a little bit of work. Sorry folks, sorry for the company, but if we don't tell you, it doesn't get fixed. Alright, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.